Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to do screen recording on computer. Screen recording on your computer is an easy way to capture tutorials, presentations, gameplay, or online meetings. OBS Studio is a free and powerful screen recording application that works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. After setting it up, you can probably start and stop recordings with just a few clicks. To begin, download and install OBS Studio on your computer if you have not already done so. Open OBS Studio after the installation is complete. In the Scenes panel, click the plus button to create a new scene. Give the scene a name and click OK. In the Sources panel, click the plus button and select Display Capture. Name it and click OK. Here, choose the monitor you want to record, then click OK. If you want to record your voice, make sure your microphone appears and audio mixer and is not muted. Now click the settings, then open the output tab. Here, choose your recording quality and save location on the recording path if needed. Click apply, then OK to save your settings. Arrange or resize the recording sources in a preview window if necessary. Click Start Recording in the Controls panel to begin capturing your screen. Perform the actions you want to record on your computer, such as playing games and watching video. Return to OBS Studio and click Stop Recording when you're finished. Open the folder you selected as the recording location to view, play, or share your recorded video. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.